Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change a flat tire on your Fiat 500. First, safety is paramount. Always park your car on a firm, level surface, well away from any moving traffic. Make sure your parking brake is fully engaged, and for extra security, place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the one you're changing. Then, collect your tools, the jack, the lug wrench, and your spare tire. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe process. Now that you're safely set up, it's time to loosen those lug nuts. Before you lift the car, use your lug wrench to turn each nut counterclockwise, just about 1/2 to 1 full turn. They should be snug but not fully tight. Next, find the correct jacking points on your Fiat 500's chassis. These are usually marked. Position the jack securely and slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing it to spin freely. With the car lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts you previously loosened. Once all nuts are off, carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside, making sure it won't roll away. Now, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Push the spare firmly onto the studs. Then, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the spare tire, ensuring it sits flush and feels secure before lowering the vehicle. You're almost done. Carefully lower your Fiat 500 using the jack until the spare tire just touches the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, remove the jack and use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts. It's best to tighten them in a star pattern to ensure even pressure across the wheel. Once they are all snug, lower the vehicle completely, remove the jack, and store all your tools and the flat tire securely. Drive cautiously to the nearest service station.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.